Hi friends, good evening. I hope you all are well and busy with your daily life. So today the topic which I choose to discuss is fear, that is dar. Exactly what is fear? We all have some sort of fear. Even an animal has some fears. What is fear and what exactly it is and how we can overcome of it and how it comes. So if we really want to understand what is fear, we should look it into a very minute detail. So guys, basically what happens when we encounter with some situations which we think our mind assumes that it may create some problem, it may be worse for us, so we create some sort of fear, our mind create some sort of fear to us. But there is one thing which is very important, friend. Our mind can only take decision on the basis of logical senses. The things which it never across, मतलब जो चीज़ दिमाग ने कभी देखी नहीं है, सुनी नहीं है, वो उसको प्रिज्यूम नहीं कर सकता. Only heart can do that because the mind can't feel. Mind only can take decision on the basis of logical things. So what happens, exactly what happens, that our mind take assumption on the pre-experienced, on the past experiences and past incidents and or other similar incidents, that what will happen, and so it creates a hormonal imbalance in our body and we think a feeling of fear. So now the question arises, how to overcome it. Guys, whatever the situation come to you, it comes with a solution, and you have to just first of all you have to see the problem, that what is the problem, and after that when you have understand the problem, then you should start working on it. Slowly you will find out that your mind has a number of choices to solve that problems. So this way you can overcome the sorts of fears, because it's a temporary feeling, it's not a permanent feeling. It becomes permanent when you do not work on it, but slowly you work on it, you find a solution, a way to avoid it. So guys, you can't remove the fear because it's a natural instinct, but you have the way to overcome it, you have the way to find out it. Nowadays the youngsters are really getting, if they are not getting a good job, they get fear. If they are not getting married, they have the fears. If they don't have looking good, they have the fear. If they don't have uh, money, enough money, they have the fear. So somebody, if you love someone, you lose him or her, you feel you have some fear to lose him. So this is not a temporary permanent thing, this is a temporary thing. We all have to understand this. The first thing which we must have to understand, that nothing is permanent in this world. We too, जब हम ही परमानेंट नहीं है तो बाकी चीज़ें कैसे परमानेंट होंगी? यू शुड इमेजिन दिस. So first thing, when you see some problem, you should understand that this is not a permanent thing, this is a temporary, and the duration of this problem will depend on the action I will take. So this is the basic. I want to share the idea with the students, especially with the young girls, young boys, who really got stuck when they come across the small problems. Guys, there is no problem which you can't solve. So problem usually come with a solution, but you have to act on this and think. The first thing which you should think that this is a temporary stage. So I hope you guys understand this very well and respond every problem with a smiling face and get better life with a and get better life. Have a great evening, guys.